Good morning. Going to the Salcedo Market today. Salcedo Market is open only once a week, every Saturday. So we will go there, guys. Usually not far here, but I forgot to bring the hat. Yes, I think so. I'm wearing hat.
Stand in front of the sun.
Walking over here, guys. The Venice resident. Westiders area. Different. Taas ng mga building, guys. Lot of here is condo. We stay here, Venice. Oo, Taguig. Kuha pala over here. Only bus. I saw her. No more jeepney here. Venice resident. I saw a bus over here, guys. Signboard is Taguig over there, oh. Right there. Walking to 7-Eleven, guys. Over there. Right there, the 7-Eleven. We need to put loads. No more load man dito, one month. Only 1 week. A bus over here, Metro Link Taguig. Salcedo Market. What you want to eat over there? Grill fish. Chicken. Pork barbecue. Yummy. Going to Salcedo Market, guys.
Try some cucumber juice.
Huh?
Cucumber
Cucumber
juice.
juice? Oh. This is the highway, I told you. Need to walk here. From here going over there. I think 15 minutes walk or 10 minutes.
Oh,
If you use the commute jeep.
there's a jeep there.
Oh. see the smoke? 146 Alifaro, please. Dito lang pala banda guys sa tapat.
If this is it, we can shove it here.
We're na in Salcedo Market guys. Diyan lang siya sa may 146 Alfaro Place. Tapat lang talaga siya. Lot of vegetable over here. Vegetable. The buksoy. 50.
Yes, ma'am.
It is running, but not run. Our video is not running. Yes, I need to start for the beginning. Entrance and exit here. No pets allowed inside the market. Nag-smoke na dito, guys. I think that area is smoke area. What we breed here?
Hi, ma'am. Bread, ma'am. Bread, we're the manufacturer. We make them shelf stable for 1 to 3 years without preservatives, packed in olive oil. Here, I'll give you a list of our items for your reference. All right, enjoy the market. Have a nice day.
Spaghetti, guys. First time namin dito, guys. That you, I want coffee? Looking coffee? I don't know what's the coffee area.
Freshly baked cookies.
It gets bored.
I think over here. Ah? Chocolate cake?
Yeah.
Siya na kanina. Good taste. Ha? Ah, ba? Balik mo. Thank you. Ano, bangos to. That's coffee. You want coffee, right? So, brother. Have coffee over here. Oh.
Hello, would you like to try?
Tubag over here. I think this is, I don't know, maybe this is only one coffee.
Walking.
Ha?
Walking. Sweet.
Playground right there. Oh.
Some taho.
Taho. Over.
You want some?
You want also?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Okay. Taho, guys. My husband because they try the taho. Yan, taho. Only one. Get one only. We try the taho. Taho, guys. My husband want to try the taho. Which one? It's up to you. You try eh.
Just a 12 ounce of this.
12 ounce lang. 12 ounce lang daw. Kaya mo try siya.
Dami supply eh.
Taho, guys. Yun yan taho. Dito. Like that. And that's it.
Yes, sir.
You try?
Depende.
My husband guy trying to eat taho. Usually this is our first time also to eat taho. Oh, what's the taste? You like? Hmm?
Okay.
Yummy? Yummy. Let's eat taho, guys. Blood may husband like taho. Let's eat taho. Let's eat taho, guys.
And then the fact that the prices are very
And them eating taho. Hmm? Nuggets, crumpet cookies, and bean. Confection. Money right there. Sana halal. Kan pala. Burger.
Abakar na nila ka. Good morning, sir. Ayan kami ni sir.
Le bisteo.
Ganda. Think right there. Fruits right there. Lot of fruits over there. Fruit over here. Have durian. Lot of fruits. Yat have this Christmas right there.
Some vegetables, yes, and bread.
Tubo right there, guys.
Let's say, for example, there's a boat and some. And then,
Lot of fruit.
Lemons for pocket.
Lot of vegetable over here, guys. We need to bring back here buying before. This is my favorite. Oh, later na lang. Bibili kami pag ano na, pauwi na kami. Kasi mahirap magkiri looking around. Kaya tinitingnan muna namin kung ano yung bibili namin. Tapos pag umuwi na, saka na lang bibili. Guys, ay super Simon guys. Over there. I don't know how much ang kilo. Later na lang ay naiba. Noisy override. Ah, because government election. Likod right here. Until right there. I think the grill area over there, oh, that have smoke. Smoke area over there. Area here guys. Habang that's the pan. Juice guys. Boko pandan juice and boko juice. My husband tried.
Nice malaman. How much is this?
Pila na siya?
Try lang ba?
Try lang yan? Oh? Ang dami naman ng try.
Ay ma'am, wala akong avocado sa
What is this? Good?
Ano ma'am? Still small.
Small lang. Isa.
Large mango pa.
Isa dito. Oo. Squid siya. Calamaris. This one. Cemetery here. Over here. Liliko dito, headquarters, Philippine Army. Yan. Right here. Ay, hindi ka medyo yun. Enter na siya sa ano, Venice. Going to Venice. Yan siya. Yan siya. McKinley. from there, carry to walk from here eh. Further.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Yeah, Popeyes way. Popeyes store. Hi guys, we are na at the house guys. Unboxing tayo guys. So we're going to ano guys. I'm done roaming around in Salcido Mountain. And we bought this one. Persimmon guys. That persimmon. This 3 pieces guys is 180 pesos. And we bought also this guy, strawberry. From Baguio, they told me. This is 180. And this one, all is 180. 168 the this one. Because my husband ate this. Husband brought this watermelon and cat, that's it. They don't eat some kind of food of ano guys. But I was impressed because they eat today ano, taho. Only taho you eat in the market, I think. Taho and cucumber juice pala. And of course, we bought guy ano, whole grill. Later na i-show you that. Whole grill fish, ano tilapia. Later I show you guys. And of course, no, I'm gonna have in the plastic, little leaking. So that's the reason we bring plastic eh. Put in the plastic. Little bit of leaking. This is ano guys. Usually this guy. Squid siya guys. Because craving ako sa squid. So this one guys 300 pesos. This is $6. With rice na siya guys. With rice. I need to wash my hands. Make sure wash my hands to show you the Popeyes order. My husband order Popeyes. Need to wash my hands. I forgot I show first the Popeye. We have drinks. And also this. My husband. And that's it guys. Let's eat guys. Let's eat guys. Parang nagbupi na rin ako guys. We bought some food in Salcido market today guys. That oh. The squid. This squid. And that one, that is 300. That one, ano siya? 180. And let's eat, guys. Let's eat, guys. May Popeyes spaghetti pa, guys. I think Popeyes spaghetti later na for the dinner. Mine. Let's eat bupi, guys. Kain tayo bupi, guys. Bupi to bupi. Sweet. Hopefully good to me. Yummy. Ito ba? Masarap sila. Yung sauce niya. Yung cordial. And the fish. And salsa over there. In the tuyo. Sit guys.
Please be my boyfriend. Sandali lang. Si Boyong, isa siyang tikbalang.
Once Upon a Time presents with Boyles, Sundays, 3:05 p.m. Premieres October 29.
Para din ako nag-booking eh. Buffet seafood.
Cells may get
Hi guys!
complex.
Dito guys.
If that
Dito
happens,
sa
correct me if you think I'm wrong.
Venice.
I would bet- I would
Taguig
say all
City,
bets are off in the
Manila,
Middle East.
Staycation.
We could have a full-out war in the Middle
2
East.
days na kami dito
Israel at the
guys.
center of it.
Dito.
And
Thank you so much sa mga
if
viewer and
Israel's
the
existence is
subscriber
put in
guys.
jeopardy, I don't think Prime Minister Netanyahu
I'm
will-
done
will-
to
almost 30
roaming
years.
around the
I don't think there's anything
Salcedo
he won't do
Market,
to
guy.
preserve and protect his country.
And
from
now,
people
I
that
think we
have-
need to
that committed their
to
lives
our
to
video to,
destroy it.
He has to do that. And
to this
around
part
here,
guy
people
because
throw
look
around
like
the phrase
long
existential
video na
threat.
eh.
They have an existential
Thank you
threat
so
every
much
day.
guys
Their
and God bless
neighbors
you.
want to eliminate them and wipe them off the map.
Bye.
So Prime Minister